Hello traders, welcome. So I gave a signal on VIX 151 A's and we're running good profit. This is our first signal for the week. You can see we're running over $600 profit now. All right, so I'll quickly show you guys what I did, my reason for the trade, the strategy I used. Okay, and if you watch the video to the end, you'll be able to do the same things. Maybe whenever you have a good setup like that, you'll be able to do the same thing. Okay, so if you're seeing our video, my channel for the first time and you've not subscribed, please do so, just to encourage me for more. And share this video with friends, smash the like button, check the description box to join the free Telegram channel. All right, when you get to the free Telegram channel, you see all the testimonial, you see all the testimony up there, and you know that we are really killing the market. All right, so VIX 151 A's, and I took earlier today, I took jumped in buy, but I left the trade already. This was my entry. I took the entry from here. I bought from here. I took profit around this level. So the VIP we're really eating. So 151 is my reason for 151 is sell call. All right. Now, you know, my strategy is very simple. I have a very simple and straightforward strategy up here. Now, remember we moved to, if you can't go to your daily, you go to your 4 hours time frame. Let me delete this. Then move to your daily, you can go to your 4 hours time frame. Now on the 4 hours time frame, we have, this is an uptrend somehow. I'll explain why I gave this sell. This is an uptrend. You can see market is pushing up to this point, but market created this higher high, then higher low, and another higher high right there. Then after here, we had this push below the previous higher low. This was the first higher low. The market went below the previous higher low. Then, you know, whenever we break a strong supply or demand, there will be a pullback Okay, so we just broke this low and market dropped to this point. There's a pullback back to this high, which is a supply. This is our supply zone. Market is dropping from the supply all the way down again. So I'm hoping to see market drop to this level, this line I have here. All right, I'm hoping for market to drop to this line. Okay, so so just seeing this low, this higher low, this swing low broken, I knew that market would be going back to this point. So when market got to this point, I knew it would be dropping again, so as to create that lower low, lower high swings, market structure. Okay, so now we are about to create a lower low. So if you are creating lower low, market needs to break this other low, needs to come below this other low to a certain low, maybe somewhere around this level. So if it breaks this zone, this is the other strong level that we have, which is this one. So it will be coming down to this place before a pullback. All right, before a pullback. Now that's it. Now on the 1 hour time frame, I decided to look to the left to see my supply on the 4 hours time frame, on the 1 hour time frame rather, to see my supply on the 1 hour time frame, and my supply is here around this level because we had some rejection here, which means that we have strong bearish pressure around this zone. That's why when market got to this point, we saw some rejection, and after that I knew that market is likely to sell, and that wasn't enough. I knew that I need to move down again to my lower time frame, a very lower time frame, like maybe 15 minutes time frame, to find selling opportunity, like an entry, to find an entry. Now an entry will be after I see some weak bullish candlestick, some reversal candlesticks, market start reversing gradually or start rejecting, and all, I know that it will be selling. So market created this first high, come down, drop down to this point, and went up again, created a double top. After the double top, I gave the call around this level. You can see market dropping really strong. So now if you check on the 1 hour time frame, you can see market started losing momentum. Market started losing momentum around this level, around this area on the 1 hour time frame. How How do I know it has losing momentum? Because we started seeing some rejection, we started seeing some tiny candlestick, all right, some rejection and tiny candlestick. I know that markets will be dropping again. Markets will be dropping again. You can see where we are now with just $100. We've seen over 600, close to $700 now profits. All right, so yeah, that's how it's very simple. Though I have so many strategies, and I also have some other things you need to put into consideration when taking trades like this. But I'll always say, before you take a trade, you must be sure you have more than one or two reasons why you're taking that trade. You don't just come. That's why you have to plan your trade, because if you cannot just come in and see a setup and you take the setup, you might have planned, you're supposed to plan the setup for hours or 30 minutes before the time. So that you have enough reason to take the trade. And when you take the trade, a trade that you planned for, a trade that you are so certain, you're sure that you're going, like you took your time to analyze the market. When you're taking that trade, you see, you have that confidence because you took your time to analyze the market, and you're so certain that it will get to your target. Do you understand? You took your time to analyze the market, and you're so sure it will get to your target. And when you have that kind of setup and it plays out, you'll be able to hold. You can see where I started holding this 1 hour time frame, bro. You can see where I started holding this trade from this place all the way down, and our TP is somewhere here. I decided not to give any TP1, TP2 stuff. I just want my people to win, to make so much money from this trade. So our TP is somewhere here. Our TP is somewhere here, right? And though I'm targeting this other low, why am I targeting this other low? If you check this way, market reversed before, and we had some reversal around this level. We have some reversal 1, 2, 3, and this is a key demand zone and other block. So we want market to fill this place, then we take profits. I take profits, and that's it, guys. So my guys, my people, they are eating so much money, so much profits everywhere. Money's flying everywhere, guys. If you check my VIP, they are eating. So I'll encourage you guys not to just sign up for anybody's signal, but try to learn. You could pay that person to learn his strategy. Okay, to learn his strategy. It's very, very important you know how to do it yourself, because taking signal alone is not enough. Yeah, you could take my signal or take anybody's signal to build your accounts, and then get enough money to to subscribe, to enroll for mentorship. But then everybody needs to know how to analyze the market, just as I am doing so, like a pro, and make your money anytime, any day, anywhere. All right, so the message is right here. I don't want to talk much. Enough, a word is enough for any reasonable trader. Okay, this what I just did now is something really informative, but some people don't. When you don't have that belief, you lack that trust for a certain on my strategy or something, it will be hard for you to really make use of this information. But if you really know what you're doing, you'll be able to make use of this information and make a fortune out of it. All right, that'll be all for now. The message right here. Bye bye.